Hi everyone, welcome to another advanced Figma tutorial. Recently I was finding some design on Pinterest and I saw this website hero section that instantly caught my eyes. It's actually really cool, and the best part, it is very easy to create. So in this video we are going to create it from scratch, and you will see we can do that in just about 5 minutes. Let's get started. First, select the frame tool and drag out a desktop frame from the top bar. Now change the background color to solid black. This will help our glowing color stand out later. Next, select the frame tool again and draw a small frame around 85 by 85 pixels. Give it a slightly different shade, something close to black, but not fully black. It will help separate the boxes visually. Now duplicate this frame by pressing Ctrl or Command D. Keep the copy right beside it. Then select both layer and add them into auto layout. It will make our next step much easier. Now select the second box and keep pressing Ctrl or Command D until you reach the end of the frame. Once you are done, select the main auto layout frame and increase the gap a little bit, like this, to space out the boxes nicely. Now let's turn it into a full grid. Click on this button here to wrap the layout into auto layout grid. Then select the last frame and again keep pressing Ctrl or Command D until the grid fills the whole page. Looks perfect. Now we can remove the auto layout so we can edit each box individually. It will give us full control for adding effects and gradients. Now select any single box from here. Go to stroke section and switch it to gradient. Pick any gradient you like. I am going with a mix of purple and blue for now. It will give a futuristic glow. Once it looks good, click directly here and press Ctrl or Command C to copy the gradient style. Now select a few random boxes from the grid and press Ctrl or Command V to paste the same gradient stroke. That way you don't have to manually set colors for each one. I'll do this for a few more boxes to create dynamic pattern. I'll fast forward this part. Okay, now let's lower the opacity so the grid doesn't look too strong. Around 50% opacity looks perfect. Still visible but subtle. Now I'll paste the content I created earlier. Just some simple text and buttons. It's basic stuff, so I won't go over it in detail here. If you are new to Figma and want to learn all the fundamentals, check out my Figma crash course video. You will also find this editable Figma file in the video description, so make sure to grab it for practice. Now, even though the layout looks good, it's not quite premium yet. Let's hide the content layer for a minute and focus on enhancing the background. Select the main frame and using the ellipse tool, draw a large circle, something like this. Make sure it's sitting on top of the grid. Give it a purple color. Then go to Effects and add a layer blur. Increase the blur amount quite a bit. It will give you this soft glowing light. Now duplicate this ellipse multiple times. Change the color of each one, maybe blue, pink, violet, and adjust the blur amount for each duplicate. This mix of colors and glow adds that premium and futuristic feel to your hero section. Once you are done, bring the content layer back on top. And just look at that. The entire hero section looks stunning now. For a real project, I would recommend spending more times refining the glow intensity and composition. But for this tutorial, we are all set. So that's how you can design the futuristic website hero section in Figma. It's very easy to create and very premium. You can download the practice file from the video description, so make sure to check that. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more videos like this, and drop a random comment. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.